All right, welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. Let's quickly take a look at what is happening here with the JASMY price set. Now that the Ethereum ETF rumor news, whatever the case was, is now behind us, I think that the market is now going to be behaving like much more in a normal manner, right? So we have been having that cloud for quite some time right now. And it has always made like it very much difficult to try and predict what is going to be happening next. But now here with JASMY, I think it really has been clear over the last 3 weeks. I have been hitting hard on this message saying that, look, what we need for continuation of our structures to something like 54 cents and stuff like that here for JASMY, we've got one key indicator that we need confirmation from, and that is the 50 daily moving average. So we'll take a look at that and see where exactly we are headed here with JASMY, both immediate short term, and probably we'll also take a look at the longer time frame perspective as well. So let's quickly start here on a daily time frame. Of course, we are seeing here that we were breaking trend, the downtrend I mean, and now I think we are trying to look for some kind of support level here right around 2.7 cents. We have been supported once right at that zone, but as you can see here, the basic rule in technical analysis is the more you hit on a support or a resistance level for that matter, is the more likely you are going to be breaking that support level. Yes, so yes, on a daily time frame we have revisited the support one more time. The question is, will we actually be supported here? Here we are taking a look at the MACD. To be honest with you, 100% it doesn't show like there is massive strength that is showing up right there. Taking a look at the RSI, you know the game. What we want to see, like for the most part, is that the RSI, if it is going to be continuing a bullish cycle here on the price, we want to be seeing the RSI above something like 60, right? But right now we failed to do that here with JASMY. So here the conclusion will be that until and unless we have an RSI trending above 60 here on JASMY on the daily time frame, I think this is when we can now say that, look, there are initial signs, early indicators that, look, JASMY is going to be pumping even higher. But for now, we don't have those indications just yet, and that's my honest belief. Now, just to be transparent, I think I've said time and again that we in the Patreon opened a short position here for JASMY at 3.1 cents, and we are looking to target something like 2.4 cents. So maybe my analysis is biased right at this point, but I'm just looking at the chart and seeing what we have actually seen before. What were the conditions that were supporting JASMY, and what also were the conditions which were leading to weakness in the market here for the JASMY. And actually the question now becomes, how low can JASMY get, right? If we lose the support level here right around 2.7 cents. Now initially we just want to be applying our Fibonacci retracement tools, right? From the moment we were recovering here to the point that we were stopping, and we are seeing that there is also a retracement level right there. That is something like the point that we H2. But as I was saying already, we have been supported once, and right now, since we are back testing it, it's going to be like 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times maybe we are interacting with that level. It's likely that it's going to be broken. Now, where is the support level that I will be looking forward to here for JASMY? Something like 2.5 cents is something that is looking very, very much likely, and I'll be looking forward to that. That's exactly where we are also closing our short position in the Patreon. And obviously there are no guarantees. We will see what happens, but what I hate to do is to come to you and say, if this happens, then this one will not happen, then this. No. I come here and I try to clearly tell you what exactly I think the market is doing. And, if I'm wrong, so be it. If I'm right, then it is what it is as well, right? So basically looking at the indicators, looking at the kind of price action that we are seeing here with JASMY, I think that 2.4 cents could actually come in much more handy in terms of being a support level than 2.7 cents here. Obviously things could change. It is what it is. That is not my position that we are going to be bouncing off of here. My position is that 2.4 cents is where we are headed here with JASMY. I think we've also gone ahead and tried to take a look at what the 50 daily moving average has been doing here, and I don't know how many videos I just made on this. That's actually one reason why I didn't make any JASMY video in the last 3 days or so, because I think that I've really hit hard on this specific issue, saying that, look, the 50 daily moving average is the single most important moving average here on. Once you are below it, it's very hard for the JASMY price to just get above it, right? So I was trying to emphasize that it was going to take a few trials before we eventually break above that 50 daily moving average. So for now, I expect JASMY to be just pressed much more further down with this 50 daily moving average until and unless we have a breaking close above the 50 daily moving average. Then what, I can forget about all the short positions that I've been talking about, and we will be looking to continue our bullish trajectory here with the JASMY price. But until then, I think you've already seen that this is what usually happens with the 50 daily moving average. You get a rejection, you come back for a back test, and then sends the price lower. Same case back here, break, retest, send the price lower, right? And you can also see the same thing here. You have a huge break, you have a back test, and it sends the price a little bit much lower here for JASMY. So that's how important the 50 daily moving average is. Right at this point, we are below the 50 daily moving average, and I'm saying that until and unless we break the 50 daily moving average, or we eventually start to see some kind of strength showing up here from indicators like the MACD and the RSI, I actually think that the RSI will be carrying much more strength here. So once we see it like slightly trending above 60, closing a few daily candles above that level, I think we are really ready to go here for JASMY, and obviously I will be updating you on that. So with that being said, I just want to kindly ask you to help me spread this video just by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and people looking for JASMY content will now be able to find this video much more easily. And if you're also new to the channel, I want to encourage you to subscribe, because I do TA on JASMY and a number of different other altcoins on a regular basis. And just remember, none of what I say is financial advice. You shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I say, alright? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I would have to see you on the very next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves. Bye.